In a world obsessed with more, minimalism offers a refreshing alternative. It's a lifestyle that values intentionality over accumulation, experiences over possessions. Minimalism isn't about empty white walls and bare shelves, it's about owning things that truly add value. This video explores how to embrace minimalism, offering practical steps and mindset shifts to simplify your life and find joy in living with less. Redefining. Essential. The first step towards minimalism is understanding what truly matters to you. We often hold on to items for sentimental reasons, just in case scenarios, or because we feel guilty discarding them. Challenge yourself to redefine essential. Does an item add value to your life today? Does it serve a purpose or bring you joy? If not, it's likely clutter. This process can be applied to physical possessions, digital files, and even commitments. The power of decluttering. Decluttering is the cornerstone of minimalism. Start with one area, like a drawer, a shelf, or your digital photos. Sort through each item. Be honest and decisive. Donate, sell, or responsibly discard anything that doesn't make the cut. This process can be liberating, freeing you from the weight of unnecessary possessions. Conscious consumption. Minimalism isn't just about decluttering, it's about making mindful choices moving forward. Before purchasing anything, ask yourself, do I need this or just want it? Is it durable and high quality? Will it add lasting value to my life? Experiences over possessions. Consider shifting your focus from material possessions to experiences. Instead of buying the latest gadget, invest in a weekend getaway, a concert, or a cooking class. Experiences create memories that last a lifetime, enriching your life in ways material possessions cannot. Digital minimalism. Minimalism extends beyond the physical world. Take time to declutter your digital life. Unsubscribe from unwanted emails, delete unused apps, and organize your digital files. Set boundaries with social media, limiting your screen time and focusing on meaningful online interactions. Mindful living. Minimalism encourages mindful living, being present in the moment rather than dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. Practice gratitude for what you have, appreciate the simple things, and cultivate a sense of contentment. The one in, one out rule. To maintain a minimalist lifestyle, adopt the one in, one out rule. Whenever you bring something new into your life, let go of something similar. This ensures your possessions remain intentional. Finding your own minimalism. Minimalism is a personal journey. There's no one right way to do it. Experiment with different approaches, find what works for you, and adapt your minimalist lifestyle to your unique needs. The benefits beyond possessions. Minimalism is more than just decluttering your home. It's a lifestyle that can lead to greater peace of mind, reduced stress, and increased financial freedom. By prioritizing experiences and focusing on what truly matters, you can create a life that is both fulfilling and meaningful. In conclusion, minimalism is about living intentionally, owning less stuff, and making conscious choices. It's about finding freedom from the weight of consumerism and discovering joy in simplicity. By decluttering, consuming consciously, and prioritizing experiences, you can embrace a minimalist lifestyle that aligns with your values and enhances your well-being.